Welcome friends, let us go for the next part of isomerism, next part of structural isomerism, that is ring chain isomerism. One of the isomer is present in cyclic form, closed form, that is said to be the ring form, and another isomer is present in open chain form, non-cyclic form is said to be the chain isomerism. Thus with the same molecular formula, the structural isomers are existing, and in that structure one isomer is present in chain form and other isomer is present in ring form. Such kind of isomers are said to be the ring chain isomers. Ring is equal to, if I makes the ring existing between the two carbon atoms, that becomes another bond, that is nothing but what single bond compounds are considered to be the double bond. So ring is equal to another one extra bond. So therefore, to show this ring chain isomerism, we have to go for the minimum alkene system. Suppose if I am having propene system. Propene system is the open chain structure, whereas if it is existing in the ring conformation, the corresponding ring conformation existing is cyclopropane is a ring. See here the molecular formula remains same, that is C3H6 is the formula. Here also it is having C3H6 is the formula. There are primary carbons, secondary carbons, whereas here all are secondary carbons. Thus isomers having the difference at the connectivities, that is structural isomers, in which one of them is open chain structure and other is the ring structure, are said to be the ring chain isomers. Suppose if I go for the either one butene system or if I go for the two butene system, yes, this is the open chain structure, whereas if I write the ring structure, it is present in the form of cyclobutane, and it can be also present in the form of methyl cyclopropane. These are all are examples for the ring chain isomers to one another. Similarly, if I go for the butane system, it may be one butane or it may be two butane system. Then if I write the corresponding ring chain isomers, it may be a four carbon containing cyclic system with unsaturation, that is cyclobutene, and it can be written in the form of cyclopropene followed by methyl substitution, and it can be written in the form of cyclopropene followed by methylene substitution. Like this, these are all are ring chain isomers to one another. Yes, this ring chain isomerism is also possible in case of carbonyl compounds like aldehydes or the keto compounds, otherwise double bond containing hydroxy compounds, that is enol compounds. I can write keto compound also. Yes, these are all are having same molecular formula for these or these or this. These are all are chain conformations. If I write the ring conformations for this, I may write a 3 carbon containing cyclic system followed by CH2OH. I can write a 4 carbon containing cyclic system followed by OH as the functional group. I can write here this one as a 3 carbon containing cyclic system followed by methyl as group followed by OH as the functional group. I can write this one as here cyclic epoxide followed by methyl group followed by methyl group. I can write this one as this is epoxide followed by ethyl as the group. Similarly, I can write this one as 4 carbons, that is 4 atoms present in the ring system. Out of them 3 are carbon atoms, another one is methyl over here. I can write another one structure in which what happens is methyl can be present at the opposite side to that of the oxygen. Like this, for this open structures of the 4 carbon atoms consisting of one double bond O followed by oxygen can be written 3 membered cyclic system followed by CH2OH, 3 membered cyclic system followed by methyl as well as the OH, and the oxygen containing 3 membered system followed by 2 methyls, otherwise one ethyl system, or 4 membered cyclic system followed by OH, or 4 membered cyclic system in which 3 are carbons followed by fourth one is oxygen in association with methyl as the substitutions. These are all are said to be ring chain isomers to one another. Yes, the last case of structural isomerism that is possible is tautomerism. There are many names for the tautomerism. Tautomerism is a special type of functional isomerism in which what happens is the functional groups or changes from one to other, and that is possible due to migration of either an atom or group from one place to other place, and these obtained new functional group and the original functional group are present in equilibrium with one another. They are always interconvertible from one to other, thus these are existing at dynamic equilibrium. Such a type of a special case of interconvertible functional isomerism which are present at dynamic equilibrium with one another are said to be the tautomers, and that phenomena is known as tautomerism. And this is possible, as we said, due to the migration of atom or the group from one place to other place. In general, that atom or the group is hydrogen atom. So here that migration can be present in two ways. Migration can be possible from atom 1 to atom 2. Otherwise, migration can also be possible from atom 1 to atom 3. Whereas, in order to occur the migration from atom 1 to atom 2, in between atom 1 and atom 2, multiple bonds are to be present. If it is single bond, then there is no migration. In order to occur migration of tautomerism of type in between 1 and 2 carbon atoms, here in between first and second carbon atom, more than one bonds are to be present. Either it is double bond or it is triple bond. In that case, what happens is 1 to 2 migration will occur. Whereas in order to occur the migration of group or atom in between atom 1 and atom 3, here what should happen is atom 1 and atom 2 in between single bond has to be present. In between atom 2 and atom 3, multiple bonds should present. Multiple bond implies that may be the triple bond, that may be the double bond. Here also multiple bond stands for either it is double bond or the triple bond. This is multiple bond. This is also multiple bond. If such a type of connectivity is present, then under appropriate conditions, a group connected with the first atom is disconnected. As a result, it will be migrated from this location to third location. Whereas this single bond system is converted to double bond system. This double bond system is converted to single bond system. Like that, due to this migration, atom displaces from one place to other place. As a result, the appearing functional group varies. Appearing functional group changes. It appears to be other functional group. Thus, in the beginning, whatever the functional group is there, that is different functional group. As a result of this group migration, it appears as another functional group. But these two structures are interconvertible and always they are present at equilibrium, and that equilibrium is dynamic in nature. Such a type of a special case of functional isomerism which is obtained by migration of atom or group from one location to other location. Especially it may be from 1 to 2, otherwise 1 to 3 are said to be the tautomers, and that phenomenon of occurring of isomers with different functional groups which are interconvertible and existing at dynamic equilibrium are known as tautomers to one another, and that phenomena is known as tautomerism. We will clear the meaning and the concept behind the tautomerism by taking some examples. Now let us go for the examples under tautomerism. Yes, the eligible chemical combinations to show tautomerism are like this. Suppose if it is 1,2 tautomerism, the group connected with the first atom is migrated towards the second atom. In between 1 and 2, as we discussed, there should be a multiple bond. Multiple bond can be a double bond or the triple bond. In that case, what happens is after migration of the group from atom 1, it will be shifted towards the atom 2. Thus, here migration of the group occurs from 1 to 2. Whereas the eligible groups, those are cyanide group. In between 1 and 2, what we are considering is this 1 and 2 multiple combination, multiple bonds combination, the generally eligible tautomerisms for the cyanide group as well as for the nitro group. Similarly, from atom 1 to atom 3, this migration is possible. Whereas to occur such kind of migration, the group connected with atom 1 and atom 2, there should be a single bond, followed by in between 2 and 3, there should be a multiple bond. Thus, if atom migration takes place, this bond is disconnected. As a result, in between 1 and 2 multiple bond comes. In between 2 and 3, whatever the multiple bond is there, then multiple bond is decreased by 1 unit and it is connected with the third atom. Thus, the generally in this case, hydrogen atom present on the carbon of the first one is migrated to the third atom, whereas those 2 and 3 having of multiple bonds may be a carbonyl group, maybe a nitro group, maybe a nitroso group, maybe that is imine group. Such kind of groups whenever are present, if they are associated with the hydrogen on the adjacent carbon atom, this is atom 1 having of easily movable group, that is hydrogen. That hydrogen shifting takes place from this atom 1 to atom 3 in such a way that single bonded connectivity is converted as double bonded connectivity. This double bonded, that is here multiple bonded, double bond is reduced by 1 unit and it is converted to single bond. Thus here that particular multiple bonds containing system, maybe that is carbonyl system, nitro system, nitroso system, imine system, if it is there, then these particular withdrawing groups followed by alpha hydrogen, alpha carbon consisting of hydrogen, this is hydrogen is said to be the active hydrogen. Thus active hydrogen containing carbon systems which are associated with the electron withdrawing group associated with multiple bonds in them present in such a way that if they are maintaining 1 followed by 2 and 3 with the multiple connectivity, this is responsible for electron withdrawing nature having multiple bonds. This is more electronegative atom connected with the atom having active hydrogen, generally carbon with hydrogen participates in migration of the group, generally that is hydrogen, from atom 1 to atom 3. Those groups can be withdrawing groups like carbonyl group, either aldehyde or keto, and in some cases esters also, nitro group, nitroso group, imine groups if present, then participates in tautomerism and that results into the new compound. This compound is different, this compound is different, here functional group and here functional groups are different. Those of all are said to be functional isomers, but those functional isomers are interconvertible, hence they are present at equilibrium and that equilibrium is dynamic equilibrium. Thus the dynamic functional group equilibrium existing due to migration of group present from one place to other place, especially that is hydrogen, are said to be tautomers and that phenomenon is known as tautomerism. Let us go for 1-2 migrations with examples and 1-3 migrations with examples and the general applications of tautomerism and the percentage of functional isomers present in tautomerism, tautomer equilibrium, under which conditions it is going to be possible, what is the effect of acidic catalyst to roll over the tautomerism of ketoenol, and what is the effect of base catalyst to roll over the ketoenol tautomerism. These things in an elaborated manner now we will discuss. The first case of tautomerism is dyad tautomerism, in which the group migration takes place from atom 1 to atom 2 which are connected with the multiple bond. This is the simplest tautomerism existing, but this is rare, and the examples belonging to this particular group are atom migration from atom 1 to atom 2 which are connected with multiple bonds are very less in number. Let us go in details related to the dyad tautomerism. Di stands for 2. In between two atoms, atom migration or the group migration is occurring. Hence, this is said to be dyad tautomerism. Yes, as we said, this dyad tautomerism is 1-2 tautomerism, and here this is very rare case of tautomerism, and it appears in very little number of cases. Suppose if you take the hydrogen cyanide. In case of hydrogen cyanide, this atom carbon and the nitrogen are connected by multiple bonds, whereas atom 1 is connected with the hydrogen. Whereas here migration of the atom connected with the atom 1, that is carbon, occurs and it is converted as isocyanide. These two are existing in dynamic equilibrium, that is hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen isocyanide, both are tautomers to one another. In this, from atom 1 to atom 2 migration is occurring, hence it is a dyad tautomerism. Similarly, in case of silver nitrate also, this is a special case occurring in case of silver nitrate, that is NO2 group is connected with the silver in such a way that nitrogen is connected with oxygen with double bond, nitrogen covalently bonded with the oxygen, and nitrogen is connected with the silver. And here migration of the silver is possible from atom 1 nitrogen to the oxygen, that is atom 1 nitrogen to the oxygen, in such a way that it is connected with, here this oxygen is connected with the silver and middle nitrogen followed by double bonded oxygen is present. Here also migration of atom or the group is present from atom 1 to atom 2, which are connected with the multiple bonds. Such kind of migration existing in between the atoms of 1 and 2 are said to be the 1,2 tautomerism, which is known as diatautomerism, which are very rare examples for this particular case. Whereas very regular way of tautomerism existence is present in case of migration of atom from 1 to 3, that is said to be triad system or the triad migration. Let us go for the triad migration of tautomerism. Yes, triad system. In case of triad system, the atom or the group migration takes place from atom 1 to atom 3, and that particular system is consisting the relation between atom 1, 2, 3 followed by group in such a way that atom 1 is connected with the group and it is connected with the atom 2 and 3 connected by multiple bonds. Thereby group is migrated from atom 1 to atom 3 in such a way that single bond is converted as multiple bonds. Multiple bond decreases by 1 unit and it is converted as either single bond or the triple bond to double bond system. Thus, in general, that group participates in this particular type of tautomerism is hydrogen. And here atom 3 is relatively more electronegative. Thus, hydrogen from less electronegative atom is converted to the hydrogen towards the more electronegative atom, that is atom 3. In general, what happens is this group is connected to the atom 1, that is generally carbon. Carbon is having one hydrogen associated with the group, electron withdrawing functional group, having two atoms combination in such a way that one of the atom is more electronegative, in generally the third atom is more electronegative. Such kind of things participates the migration of atom from the migration of hydrogen from atom 1 to atom 3 with the change of the bonds, double bond to single bond to double bond in such a way. Thus here the alpha hydrogen, which is active hydrogen known as active hydrogen, otherwise the methylene hydrogen, which is may be connected to other one electron withdrawing groups. Thus hydrogen replaced from this carbon is migrated from this place by changing the bonds, single bond as double bond as single bond to the oxygen atom here. Such kind of migration and such kind of tautomerism is said to be the triad system. In general, that is carbon connected at least one hydrogen known as alpha hydrogen, followed by group is either carbonyl group, that is C double bond electron withdrawing group, satisfies the conditions that it is having two atoms combination. Out of them, the third atom is more electronegative. Imine group, carbon followed by the nitrogen double bond connectivity, nitrogen is more electronegative. Nitro group, either this oxygen or this oxygen, you may consider that oxygen is relatively more electronegative. Nitroso group, in which nitrogen is directly connected with oxygen through a double bond, in that third atom is oxygen as per 1, 2, 3 system is concerned, and oxygen is relatively more electronegative atom. Thus, in this case, this tautomerism is possible. Let us go for the examples, and we will discuss the effect of acid catalyst and the base catalyst. Then we will go in detail related to the triad migrations. Yes, this tautomerism, especially carbonyl system conversion to enol system, which is known as keto compound conversion to enol system, is said to be the keto-enol tautomerism. This is the basic variety of the tautomerism, whereas this basic triad system of tautomerism is possible in case of acid catalysis as well as the base catalysis. If I take butanone as an example, this can be possible to participate in tautomerism, and it is easily converted to the enol form in acidic medium as well as the basic medium. In case of basic medium, as being it is base, it replaces active hydrogen. The active hydrogens here, this carbon is alpha carbon having alpha hydrogens, this carbon is alpha carbon having of alpha hydrogens. Any one carbon is active carbon and the corresponding hydrogens are active hydrogens. After replacement of one of the alpha hydrogen, it has converted as, here in presence of OH minus elimination of water takes place here.
So therefore here it is converted as carbon ion. This carbon ion undergoes linearization in such a way that this negative charge is shifted towards the sigma bond, and this carbon oxygen double bond is shifted towards the oxygen. As a result, it is converted as O minus. That one once again involves the abstraction of the proton from the water. So therefore that is converted as ene followed by ol. Enol formation takes place. Thus it is catalyzed by the acid. Similarly, the same thing is catalyzed by base also. Suppose in case of, this is in case of basic medium. Similarly in acidic medium, if protons, excess protons are present, those are getting connected by the C double bond O, that is oxygen present in the carbonyl system. As a result, it is converted as OH plus. Thereby here the one of the alpha hydrogen is eliminated as H plus, followed by this carbon ion. This bond is shifted towards this part, whereas this bond is shifted towards the oxygen to make it as neutral. Thus proton will be eliminated and it is converted to enol system. Thus carbonyl system, either in presence of basic medium or in presence of acidic medium, are converted to enols. Thus keto-enol tautomerism is possible both in acidic medium or in basic medium. But the necessary condition is the group what we are expecting, which is combination of less electronegative and the more electronegative atoms combination associated with the multiple bonds. Connected carbon, which is known as alpha carbon, should have at least one alpha hydrogen. Under that conditions, this tautomerism works. Yes, some more examples of keto-enol tautomerism. This is acetone. Acetone can be present in the form of enol because it is having, that is, electron withdrawing group followed by alpha carbon. Alpha hydrogens are there. There are 3 alpha hydrogens towards the left and 3 alpha hydrogens towards the right. Let us consider one of the alpha hydrogen here, and this alpha hydrogen is migrated from here to here. As a result, that is converted as enol. But at equilibrium, the keto percentage is higher compared to enol percentage in this case. Similarly, here we are having many alpha hydrogens. One of the alpha hydrogen is shifted in such a way that sigma bond electron density is shifted towards the carbon atom, and that hydrogen atom is migrated towards the oxygen present on the carbonyl part, hence it is converted as enol system. Single bond system is converted to double bond system is converted to single bond system. Whereas this sigma bond is broken here new sigma bond is appeared. So there is the number of sigma bonds, number of pi bonds, number of lone pairs, everything remains same. Migration of atom takes place through conjugation. So conjugation is re-established or conjugation is rearranged. Such a thing is going to be happening. Similarly here, one of the alpha hydrogen from this system is migrated in such a way that, suppose if it is having CH2 followed by H, this bond is shifted towards the carbon, whereas this electron density is shifted towards the oxygen, and this hydrogen atom comes and settles over here, thus enol formation occurs. In this case, here the keto form is more than 99.9%. Here also this keto form and this keto form is present almost at 99.9%, whereas enol percentage is very less. Yes, let us go for the other examples related to the keto-enol tautomerism. It is a cyclic system consisting of diene followed by cyclohexanone, whereas that can involve in keto-enol tautomerism in such a way that results into an aromatic compound, that is benzene. Benzene associated with OH is known as what? Phenol system. Phenol is more stable because it is aromatic, implies what? It is having very less energy, that is more stable, it satisfies Huckel rule. Whereas this can be also present in another one keto form, and that keto form is this one. Whereas before this and before this, at dynamic equilibrium, this particular structure is maintaining almost 99.9%. 99% of enol form is present. This is CH3COCH2, COCH3. Here it is having active hydrogens because both electron withdrawing groups are there. So in between them, whatever carbon and hydrogens are there, those of all are active carbons and active hydrogens. They can involve in keto-enol tautomerism. As a result, enol formation occurs. Enol is more stable because it involves in conjugation and it involves in hydrogen bonding. Due to this conjugation followed by hydrogen bond, it offers extra stability. Thus, at equilibrium, that enol content is almost 81%. This is phenyl system followed by COCH2 COCH3. In this case, the extended conjugation increases because this is in conjugation with the benzene ring system. Benzene is having 3 triple bonds followed by another one bond. If comes and joins with this benzene system, the number of bonds increases, the conjugation length increases, extended conjugation occurs, so more amount of energy will be liberated, and once again it is having hydrogen bonding. Due to these reasons, here enol content percentage increases, that is 81, almost it is 89. And next case, that is ethyl acetoacetate, CH3CO CH2 COO ethyl. Here also conjugation comes, but this conjugation is not that much effective as that of carbonate conjugation, because it is not C double bond O. This is ester functional group. It destabilizes the conjugation by donating electron density, and moreover hydrogen bond strength is also not that much extent. Due to these reasons, what happens is stability decreases, hence its enol content decreases. Thus, add 2 hydrogens at alpha carbon, followed by, if it associated with extended conjugation, followed by extra stabilizing regions like hydrogen bonds if present, then at equilibrium the content or the percentage of enol increases. Thus enol percentage is 99, 81, 89 as well as 7.7 percentages, etc. Yes, this particular isomerism is also possible in nitro compound as well as the acid form of nitro compounds are said to be isonitro compounds. Nitro group is connected with the alkyl having of alpha hydrogens, so therefore this is nitro form. One of the alpha hydrogen, this is group having all validations, followed by alpha carbon with having hydrogen, whereas this bond is shifted. As a result, this pi bond is shifted towards the oxygen. As a result, hydrogen migration occurs from here to oxygen of the nitrogen connectivity, and here it is acting as active hydrogen, hence it is said to be acidic form of nitro. In short form, it is known as acinitro. Similarly, this is imine form having of alpha carbons and alpha hydrogens. This bond is shifted towards carbon, this pi bond is shifted towards oxygen, hence this hydrogen migration takes place from nitrogen to oxygen with rearrangement of conjugation. Single bond as double bond as single bond, and breaking of the bond leads to the formation of bond. This is imine structure, this is nitroso structure, this is isonitroso structure. Similarly, that is also possible in case of imines as well as enamine case. Imine is C double bond NH, whereas alpha carbon, alpha hydrogens are there. This bond broken in favor of carbon, this pi bond is shifted in favor of nitrogen, hence this hydrogen is migrated from nitrogen to hydrogen. 1,3 migration is occurring. Here it is ene followed by amine, that is said to be enamine. Thus nitro form and the acidic form of nitro, nitroso form and the isonitroso form, imine form and the enamine form, these are all are examples for the tautomerism of 1,3 migration, that is triad system based migrations. Yes, there is a special case which is known as pseudotropism. Isomers which are eligible to participate in tautomerism, more than one isomers can be eligible. One is keto form and other one is enol form, but out of them one is very major, other one is negligible. Such kind of compounds are said to be pseudotropes, and that isomerism are said to be pseudotropism. In case of cyclohexadienone, here compared to this structure, enol structure leads to the formation of more stable aromatic compound, that is phenol. It is present with the 99.9%, hence this form is the form in which it is existing, other is negligible, hence this isomerism is said to be pseudotropism. Similarly, here cyclobutanedione, in this case compared to enol form, keto form is more stable, because keto form, enol form gets more steric endurance, and the more things are going to be existing in one plane, a lot of strain it has to face. So therefore, in order to avoid this unnecessary strain, it want to be continue in dienone form, hence it is 99.9%, other is very negligible, hence this is also comes under the example of pseudotropism. Yes, write the tautomers of these following compounds in which all eligibility is related to the alpha hydrogens, groups connected with the more electronegative atoms are present, and these are generally participates in 1,3 group migration, 1,3
migration of the atom, that is triad tatomers, then you are asked to write the tatomerism existing in compound 1 as well as compound 2. Yes, question number 2. In 1,2 cyclohexadienone, that is 2 carbonyl groups are present side by side and the cyclohexane ring system. 1,2 cyclohexadienone is there. In this system, it participates in ketoenol tatomerism. Then you are asked to write the possible tatomers and in which form that is going to be existing as a major component and what might be the reason. Whether this dienone form is the major at equilibrium or its corresponding enol form is major at equilibrium. Suppose if you expect one of them is major, then what might be the cause behind the major percentage of the components, tatomer component of cyclohexadienone. Write all possible tatomers eligible for the compound from 1, 2, 3, that is compound A, compound B and compound C. You are asked to write all possible varieties of tatomers appearing from these structures in compound A, compound B as well as compound C. Yes, in these given examples of 10, calculate, otherwise count the number of compounds which can shows the tatomerism. Example 1 to example 10. Example 1 is phenyl methyl followed by keto system is there. That is phenyl is one side followed by methyl is one side connected to the C double bond O group. And the last one is consisting of cyclohexadienone. Cyclohexadienone. If I give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is cyclohexa 3, 5 or 2, 5. 2, 5 cyclohexadienone is the compound. From 1 to 10, how many of compounds are eligible to show tatomerism and how many of them are not eligible to show tatomerism, and what is the reason? If it exists in tatomerism, then what is its corresponding other tatomer? If suppose this is keto, second one is enol form. If it is enol, second one is keto form. What are its corresponding equilibrium along with its tatomers? The dynamic equilibrium relevant, what are its corresponding two tatomers? If it is possible, if it is not possible, why it is not possible, what is its reason? Out of given 10 compounds, how many of them are eligible to show tatomerism, how many of them are not eligible to show tatomerism, and what might be the reason? Yes, the last important point related to tatomerism is there is a difference in tatomerism and the resonance. Then what might the difference between resonance as well as the tatomerism? In order to happen that resonance, a conjugated system should be connected with the either radical, otherwise the charged species like cation and the anion. If it involves in resonance, what happens? This electron density will be shifted here, will be shifted here, will be shifted here. Thus, you will be having negative charge at this position, or negative charge at this position, or negative charge at this position. If I write the corresponding resonance structures, this may be having negative charge, and the second resonance structure, this may have the negative charge at this place, and third resonance structure, this may have negative charge at this part. Like this, I can have any varieties of structure, that is double bond followed by here negative charge. Yes, these are the structures. These are all structures are resonance structures. In this resonance, there is no migration of atom from one place to other place, only electron density is migrated. Moreover, electron density is migrated or rearranged from one location to other location. The entire location where the migration occurs is a planar location. See, this is sp2 hybridized connected with the atom, that is also part of the plane. Hence, on planar part, electronic rearrangement occurs, but there is no migration of atoms. Suppose if keto-enol tatomerism occurs, this bond is shifted in favor of that carbon, and this pi bond is shifted in favor of that hydrogen. Hence, these two exist in dynamic equilibrium in such a way that this bond and this bond remains as it is. I am not shifting anything here. Whereas this one bond is remained where it is having carbon ion, carbocation followed by oxygen, and this hydrogen is shifted here. That is, migration of atom takes place along with the migration of electron density.
Moreover, this portion is the non-polar part because this is sp3 hybridized and this is also sp3 hybridized in the product structure. Thus, on the non-planar part, due to migration of atom in association with migration of electron density occurs in case of tautomers, but here it occurs just on the planar part. It occurs just due to the electron migration. There is no migration related to the atom. Here migration of atom, no migration of atom. Migration of electron density occurs on planar part, occurs on non-planar part. Thus it makes the difference between resonance as well as the next one, that is what? This is resonance structures, whereas this is tautomer structures. Thus tautomerism, dynamic equilibrium, interconvertible, resonance also interconvertible, converts from one structure to other structure, and here electron displacement is a common features. Dissimilarities just occurs on planar, occurs on non-planar, occurs with migration of group or atom. Here no migration of atom and group will occur in case of tautomers. That makes the difference.